I am not reading well. Why? What's the problem? I cannot read also teaching many members you are not doing anything. Like teaching. You let's see this video. Welcome to my channel. Like and subscribe my channel. Share your friends. This video any mistakes are there. Comment on it. And this video only motivation purpose only. I am many time are asking my brain why I am not do anything and I am lazy. But sometimes I am thought thinking and very depression vented. Today my topic is iron. You know, I know. You also don't know. I use this purpose and I can waste stone to one super attracting one shape. I evolve you iron. First iron is a waste product. When iron you heat on the fire, iron or any shape, any design that you don't know how, don't know you all, but you are lazy. You thinking I cannot do anything like iron also don't know. I become a very superb shape design. Okay. Iron also don't know. I cannot do anything. I cannot come very superb. But you are doing a hard work. That is a iron also come to design very powerful. You also come a design like a superb studies well. Okay. I think I am reading times. You give one information in your mind. What you know, I am not read this one. I cannot store my mind this one. Like you are giving your mind to you teaching your mind. That's why you cannot reading anything. What's you know? I cannot read this one. I cannot read this one. Like only teaching, always teaching your mind. That's why mind also you anytime any day you can read the book. That mind you tell you cannot do this. You cannot do this. That's why you cannot read this one. First you stop the that's telling that one. What's you know? You can do it. You can do it. I do it. Like tell you. I do it. I read this one. I can do it. Like you tell. Let's come to story. Let's come to story. That's problem for you. Teach mind. Your super this don't have like you like. Teach your mind when you teach your mind also compare cooperate you giving information your mind that take it take easily. That's why teach your mind anybody don't teach you why I know your why you know more than for that to teach you to read that's one only but your motivation what you know I can do it anything. That's like you thinking. At a time only you can do it. Okay. Well iron when when iron through the fire he slowly observation heat at its a time to do any shape any object and shape. What what learn it this is you only you are iron when you go to fire that is only your turning point when you go failure success fail is you know iron is heated but you cannot do on the bet on the bet on when you come to very easy to studies you know so many members are thinking why I am not reading that's problem only you teaching your mind you cannot do this you cannot do this I cannot read this is you are teaching your mind that's why your mind is not cooperating you okay when a iron observing in the fire on the mind your mind also observe your what you giving for that mind are teaching your mind okay iron with the coming slowly to one shape, you also going in depression and that's fire. When you use that fire at a time, you become a one to become a very talented person and very powerful. Motivation in your mind, you don't know your mind value. When you know mind value, you don't have any your hands time is a valuable than your studies. You decide when you go to root ways at their depressions. Depression is a deep sea. Success is deep sea. This those are deep seas. Okay, that's okay. Thank you for watching this video. Any mistakes are there, please comment on it and like and share, subscribe my channel. Okay, let's how to learn this iron. When a iron when a such a time only heat the come to do any shape. At a time you decide failure or success. Two ways are there in your world. Failure means you can go heated iron. Don't punch giving to iron. Do not come any shape. That time only you not come anything do in the world. That's why you cannot come iron. Second point, you go first way. Iron is a melting time, or you can punching the iron to a you can a punching that the iron to a hammer. When you are punching the hammer to becoming a one beautiful shape on the iron, that at a time only you can going to depression. When you going depression, you can think like iron. You are iron. Irons don't know. I am not. I am do also this one only. You also don't know. You are do anything, but you can not teach your mind what you know. I cannot do anything. That's why you are thinking like this. Okay, my friend, dear friends, this is my story. Okay, important points. First, you are only thinking like first rock is there. That's like only thinking. That is stop it. Okay. Second point, two ways are there in your life, failure or success. Two routes. You go success. When you go it, iron is a melting point. At a time only two routes are there, success or failure. You do hard work to get a success. Do laziness, you come a failure. Okay, don't neglect on this, my friends. This is my video. Like and share, subscribe and the comment on it. Okay, thank you, my dear friends.